Clearly the driver's seat in my project van does need a little bit of help. It's going to be replaced eventually, but until then I'm going to attempt to do a quick fix using some gap filler. I just bought an inexpensive can, and I just found some duct tape around in my shed. I'm going to use as much as I can that I have for this van project currently until I get it to where I want it to be. But for now, just using materials I have or spending the least amount of money on the stuff just to get it put back together. As you can see, I'm leaving room for expansion. Hopefully I'll start at the bottom and see if it will expand out and put some pressure against the duct tape to form the shape that I'm trying to get to look similar to the other side of the seat. Not really too concerned how it looks at the end. It's just a fun project at the moment to hold me over till I get another seat. And now I have some really inexpensive gap filler, and I'm putting the tube way in the bottom so I can hopefully get it to form the shape and expand the duct tape a little bit. Regardless of what the result is, it's going to help me out until I get the new seat put in. But you can see here it's starting to form and fill in. I probably put too much in all at once. Actually, I'm going to say yes, I did. And there you have it. Duct tape and big gap filler. Seat repair. Perfect.